Take a look at this time lapse. Watch what happens when layers of expensive skincare are applied one after another. We build these massive 10-step luxury routines to fix our breakouts, but layering all those products is often the exact hidden cause of severe skin irritation. It is a deeply ingrained belief that a higher price tag naturally guarantees better dermatological results. We've all stood in an aisle, holding a $10 bottle and an $80 bottle, assuming the expensive one just has to work better. But here is the biological reality. When you apply multiple fragranced, chemically complex serums to your face at the exact same time, your skin gets entirely overwhelmed by conflicting inputs. All of those active ingredients competing with each other systematically break down your skin barrier. That barrier is your body's outer shield, specifically designed to lock moisture inside and keep bacteria out. Pursuing that luxury, fragrant, spa-like experience on your face actively damages your foundational skin health. Worse, it forces you into a vicious cycle where your barrier is so compromised, you feel forced to buy even more expensive rescue creams to fix the redness the original products caused. This pie chart breaks down a $75 luxury serum. 50% is eaten by marketing, 40% by heavy packaging. This 10% slice pulling out is the entire ingredient budget. Splitting that further reveals a tiny 5% sliver of actual active ingredients. That tiny 5% fraction consists of the exact same chemical compounds, like ascorbic acid or niacinamide, that you can find in basic $9 drugstore alternatives. When you buy luxury skincare, you are almost exclusively funding a marketing budget. You are not purchasing superior clinical efficacy. To escape that trap, we use the clinical baseline methodology. This means utilizing utilitarian drugstore products to do one specific job perfectly. Let's start with your cleanser. Think about replacing your high-end luxury face wash with a basic $8 non-foaming drugstore cleanser. Let's be honest about the immediate trade-off here. You are sacrificing that luxurious foamy lather that you're used to. Because it lacks those harsh foaming agents, you will likely use a separate micellar water or balm to remove stubborn makeup first. Watch this microscopic skin cross-section. Without foaming agents, your natural acid mantle remains intact, while surface dirt lifts away. You retain baseline hydration. Now watch a harsh luxury cleanser. Bubbles completely strip away the protective layer, leaving your barrier damaged. Before we get to the treatments, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below telling me which expensive step in your routine you're willing to swap out first. The hard truth is that effective, healthy cleansing must inherently be boring and utilitarian. You have to protect the foundation. Once the foundation is clean, we move to targeted treatments. Instead of relying on broad-spectrum, expensive serums, you can utilize a $9 single-ingredient active like salicylic acid. The outcome is clear. You receive a highly potent, unbuffered treatment that aggressively targets specific texture issues and clears out acne-causing congestion. But there is a cost of admission here, and it's called formulation literacy. You have to learn exactly how these chemicals interact. Watch this video of a heavy drop of unbuffered liquid hitting a porous surface. It immediately reacts and aggressively dissolves the top layer. That is exactly what happens to your face if you don't schedule your routine carefully. Layering unbuffered single actives incorrectly will lead to severe chemical burns. The true cost of $10 actives is not financial. It is the time and education required to use them safely without destroying the barrier you just fixed. For daily hydration, the clinical baseline requires switching away from bespoke, custom-scented creams to bulk $10 drugstore ceramide creams. Look at this side-by-side ingredient comparison. On the left is a $60 moisturizer. On the right is a $10 drugstore cream. Notice how water, glycerin, and ceramides are highlighted in the exact same positions in both formulas. Structurally, they are incredibly similar, but there is a negative trade-off to the $10 option. You accept a heavier texture, utilitarian plastic packaging, and zero fast-absorbing silky slip. Contrast that poor sensory experience with the biological reality. Those bulk ceramides provide highly effective, medical-grade barrier repair that actually heals the skin. Achieving clinical hydration on a budget strictly requires sacrificing the sensory pleasure and elegance of a luxury cream application. There is a critical zero-cost application technique that actually doubles the efficacy of those cheap moisturizers. You have to apply them directly to damp skin immediately after washing. This cellular animation shows how it works. Moisture naturally tries to evaporate off the skin's surface, but a newly applied barrier cream successfully traps that transepidermal water, locking in ambient moisture and pushing it back down. The brief sensory trade-off of this damp application method is a mildly sticky feeling for a few minutes during the air drying process, and we need to set realistic expectations for the timeline. Visible cellular turnover requires 6 to 8 weeks of consistent, boring repetition. You will not see flawless skin overnight. Patience, not purchasing power, dictates the timeline of genuine dermatological transformation. If you are a budget-constrained beginner, consider this drugstore baseline strategy a mandatory reset. It is the cheapest, most effective way to permanently stop barrier damage. This decision matrix shows exactly how different people should spend their money. Notice the optimizer category right here. They save money on basic cleansers and moisturizers, so they can exclusively fund complex, highly unstable formulations, like a high-quality vitamin C serum, where spending more actually matters. The luxury counter sells an emotional experience. The drugstore provides the baseline chemistry. If this reality check helped you rethink your routine, hit the like button so we can keep making honest reviews. And make sure to click the next video on screen to understand how to layer those tricky active ingredients safely. By prioritizing biological results over aesthetic packaging, you can prove that $10 is enough to achieve perfectly healthy skin.